Welcome to Kanta Aesthetic. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our latest innovation, the EMSlim NEO Machine Body Contouring Elite. This powerful machine combines cutting-edge technology to offer you the ultimate body contouring solution. In the following time, we'll walk you through the machine installation and setup process. Let's dive in. Install the 4 handle brackets by first removing the screws on the machine. Install the 2 flat handle brackets. Install the 2 curved handle brackets. There are 4 handle sockets on the back of the machine. Firmly insert the handles into the sockets. The handles have 2 locks that need to be fastened both top and bottom. Turn on the machine to start operating. The machine has 2 modes, automatic and manual. Let's start with automatic mode. On this screen, you can select the client's gender, age, and treatment area. Choose the appropriate settings and click Next. At the bottom of the screen, there are 5 different treatment modes. AB represents energy intensity settings for handles A and B. Typically start at 17% and adjust based on the client's tolerance. If the energy feels too low, increase it. If too high, decrease it. ABRF represents RF energy intensity settings for handles A and B. Typically set to 8% or 17%. RF energy does not need to be set too high. CD represents energy intensity settings for handles C and D. Adjust the settings in the same way as AB. CDRF represents RF energy intensity settings for handles C and D. Adjust the settings in the same way as ABRF. The standard treatment time is usually 30 minutes. Manual mode parameters select the client's gender, age, and treatment area. The key difference in manual mode is that you can set the working frequency manually. AB represents energy intensity settings for handles A and B. Start at 17% and adjust based on the client's tolerance. Increase if too low, decrease if too high. Frequency settings, F1, typically set to 5F. 2, typically set to 50F. 3, typically set to 100. Click Next. RF energy settings are the same as in automatic mode, generally set to 8% or 17%. RF energy does not need to be set too high. Thank you for watching our tutorial on this Elite machine. We hope this detailed guide on arrangement and setup helps you make the most of this top-tier device. If you have any questions or need further information, please visit our website or contact our customer support team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on beauty and body sculpting. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.